Take a look at what we have here at Unique Specialty and Classics. It's a 2000 Volkswagen new Beetle GLS. Of course, the new Beetle's actually built on the Golf platform. So this would be a front engine Beetle. Best of all, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Actual miles, 4,716. So 4,716. Let's take a look at this front fascia. There's a little spot or two where it's been touched up. You can see right there. Looks like another one down there. A couple little spots. Yellow exterior with the black interior. Power sunroof. What a fun car. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. And all those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. You got to love the wheels. Daisy wheels on a Beetle. What more do you want? Goodyear radial tires. Those wheels have to be pretty rare. Any of you Beetle experts out there know about those Daisy wheels? Leave a remark down in the comments down below. I'd like to know about those. Take a look down the passenger side. Really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. We'll get around to the driver's side, take a little closer look at the interior, start it up, let you hear it run. Stick around at the very end of this video. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. As we take a look at the rear, left this open to show you where you can actually use the key in the trunk and how that handle closes up. Very handy. Nice storage area back there. Spare tire down below in the storage area in the rear. Has the 2-liter inline 4-cylinder underneath the hood, automatic with overdrive. Of course, nicely equipped. 4-wheel disc brakes, technician noted brakes are 95% in the front, 85% in the rear. This car is what you'd expect with only 4,700 miles. Clean Carfax. There was a little scuff I wanted to point out right in front of that wheel well. Tell you what, if you like VW Beetles, Volkswagens in general, no matter what year, what model, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Prime example right here. These videos are uploaded daily. When we upload the video, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and you can do that online right up our showroom floor. Of course, right here, getting your modern amenities. Power windows, power mirrors. Nice bucket seats. These are actually heated. Driver and passenger side. Nice rear seat area in these cars too. How's the headliner looking good? Of course, power sunroof. We'll try that out. Let's go ahead and fire this up. There's your actual miles, 4,716. That was a cold start, so that's why the temperature indicator is blue there. Otherwise, gas gauge working. Tachometer working. AM/FM cassette player. Interesting. Let's go to FM. Let's find a station that comes in here.
7 FM app on your smart
Radio working. There's the heated seat controls. Of course, the automatic center console. And you got to have the Daisy in the little flower holder. Dash looks good. Power sunroof slides back. Working as it should. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Pretty quiet car, of course. Sounds as it should. Let me pause this a second. Let's get this hood open, check out that engine bay, and then, like I said, Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Underside of the hood, Nice and clean. There it is, that 2 liter. Running smooth. Low mile, clean Carfax, 2000 Volkswagen new Beetle GLS. Daisy wheels and all. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Oh, that is fantastic.
Jesus.
Running on empty? Fuel up with us, George and Jared on Motorhood.
Jesus.
Tune in on YouTube where we dive into cars,
Who cares if it's hard on gas?
our showroom,
One of 114.
and beyond. New episodes every week, only on Motorhood.
Today, let's go for a ride in a yellow Volkswagen Beetle. This one from the year 2000. Remember that? Automatic right down here between the seats. 3 cup holders in the middle. We got the flower, of course. And did you see those wheels? This car does catch some eyes. A good homage maybe with the curves it's got to the original Beetle. Smooth running car. And guess what? Less than 5,000 miles original on this car. There's a couple little raindrops flicking outside, just enough to show you that the wipers are working. Stereo works on this car. Perforated seats, bucket seats in this car. Very comfortable, easy to drive. We've got power windows. We've got a sunroof overhead. Nice smooth ride. It doesn't feel like a small car when you're driving it. It feels, what would you say, normal? You've got a larger dash. It feels comfortable. It feels easy to drive. Everything is smooth and feels like new on this car. Brand new feeling. Brakes. Starts up and idles smoothly right away. Power steering working very well. Nimble in the corners. Be sure to find all the pictures of this Volkswagen at UniqueClassicCars.com.